Okay, so now coming back to the topic of why are the studies of brain lesion patients important again. And then in the beginning, I said that the brain lesion patient study are very important because it's most effective and holistic way to understand what consciousness is not. And that's the next thing that we are going to take a look. So look at this brain scans, again, the sagittal view. And then you might notice one thing, quite unusual, relatively quickly. And what is that? Most likely, you notice that this part of the brain is completely blacked out. And that's the part of the brain called the cerebellum, cerebellar agenesis. And this title of the paper is, again, new case of complete primary cerebellar agenesis, clinical and imaging findings in a living patient. And this may seem like not so, surprising from many of different kind of possible, viewpoint, but in fact, it is really surprising. Okay, what I mean by that? Let's go through the reports or behaviors or behavior observation of the patient start. So in this, again, this is another view of this is now coronal slice. So when you cut the brain like this way, you see the, back part of the brain is completely white in this type of the image. It's now the fluid is measured as, white thing in this view of the imaging.